You're listening to Sounds of the Holidays, presented by the Audio Flow, LLC.
Hi, I'm Talmadge Ragan. To celebrate Christmas and the holidays with the Audio Flow and all of our listeners, fans, and friends, I thought I'd do something a little different. My father, Samuel Talmadge Ragan, was Poet Laureate of the state of North Carolina from 1982 until his death in 1996, and I thought I'd share two of his Christmas poems with you. The first is called In a Bus Station on Christmas Eve. There are still travelers, even at this late hour. A radio is playing Joy to the World. They sit and stare, clutching packages, wrapped as they are wrapped, with some of the corners torn. This is called A Christmas Night. It was a cold night, and there was ice on the road. Our car started to slide as it moved up the small hill, and the headlights caught the old man in a thin jacket, pushing a cart filled with sticks. There were some bundles and a package piled on top, and the old man grinned and waved at us as he pushed the cart into the yard of the little house where a single light shone. The tires gripped the road, and we drove on into the darkness. But suddenly, it was warm. Merry Christmas, everyone, and all the best in the year ahead. I'm Talmadge Ragan with the Audio Flow.